Hey guys, Minesh Padwani here. So today we are going to solve server-side template injection using documentation. So this lab is vulnerable to server-side template injection, which is nothing but when an attacker is able to use native template syntax to inject a malicious payload into a template, which is then executed on server side. Basically, template engines are designed to generate web pages by combining fixed template with volatile data. Server-side template injection attacks can occur when user input is concatenated directly into a template rather than passed in as a data. So this allows attackers to inject arbitrary template directives in order to manipulate the template engine, often enabling them to take control of the server. So this can expose website to a variety of attacks depending on the template engine in questions and how exactly the application uses it. So let's access the lab here, and we can see here they have given the credentials. Let's copy that. Uh, let's access the lab here. So first of all, let's go log in into our account. Paste the credential here. So arbitrary code is nothing but a flaw in software. So through which an attacker can execute the commands in and into a targeted system. So we have successfully logged in here. Let's go to home. Edit one of the. Let's view details of the one of the product. Here in the description we can see we can here edit the template. Let's click on that. We can see here they have this is the paragraph tag. So paragraph tag it is used as a server side on the server side. So we can see here expressions they have used to show the product stock, product name, and product price. So let's have our own expression here. We can edit that. I am Minesh dollar Minesh dot hacker. Close the tag, save it. So we can see here they have showed the error. So basically it's giving a template that debug use zero in production. So evaluated to null or missing. So they have used the template here free maker. So let's go to that and read the manual of that. Uh, free maker template. Okay. So let's go to that and let's go for FAQ here. First of all, we have to go in a manual, then like we have to go for frequently asked question. So the main thing is we have to find here if the question we are finding for is already in there or not. So here you can see that can I allow users to upload templates and what are the security implications. So let's click on that. So they have shown here that generally it shouldn't be allowed to users unless those users are application developers, system administrators, or highly trusted person. So like they have already mentioned here like as a warning. So we can see here it's disabled by default. So let's go for an API here. That they have provide accesses to API. So like why you need to call the Java method of an object. Okay, so let's go for a new expression here. So we can see here. So they have mentioned here that this is to create a variable of a certain template model implementation. So we can see here example of new expression. So we can use this or we can create it of our own also. So let's see the methods. Free template class execute. So Here we can see that freemaker template.util.execute class. They have shown here that they can use submission to command string in execution tag here. Okay, then from freemaker template the following is executed. So let's go to lab. Okay, let's turn our interception on. Edit template. Forward. So here we can see the new expression. Type in here miniature. Okay, so hashtag sign space ex. So in this execution class we are seeing here that the Java object is used as this freemaker.template.util. Let's copy that, paste in here. So it's we are calling the new method here. Okay, let's save it. Forward. So we can see here that it has been executed here. So let's turn it off. Save. So expression is executed perfectly as it has been the method of the Java class. Okay, so let's edit it again. Now what's in there, that they have tried to mention here that we have to delete that moral.txt file. So the expression is here is executed successfully. So now we will see that if the moral.txt file is available in the directory or not. So let's use the expression here, and ex is the directory and save. So here we can see the moral.txt file is available. So let's turn intercept on. So we can see here, let's forward it, save. So we can see here the moral.txt file has been shown here. The successful run here. So after listing this out, we can remove this by using command rm moral.txt and save. Sorry. Okay. So here we can see we have listed successfully the moral.txt file. Now we can remove that moral.txt file by using command rm moral.txt and save. So let's see. So they have mentioned like removed moral.txt from Carlos home directory. So let's try that here. So let's mention the path here, slash home slash Carlos slash moral.txt and save it. So here we can we have written the freemaker template execution class with new method, and we have written remove moral.txt from home.carlos directory, and let's save it. So here we can see that we have solved the lab. Thank you.